Hello. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Myrna, and today I am trying on this Nastyle wig. Now, I know it's like, I just put it on because I've never tried a 360 wig before, and especially, I'm lying, I did try a bright color before, but a 360 bright hair color. So this is how I was looking. Actually, no, this is not how I was looking straight out of the box. Because when I first got it, this is, you know how when curly hair be coming out and it be looking crazy? That's how it looked. But then once I try to put leave-in conditioner on this part, and then the hair just looks straight. So I'm like, what the heck? So I just put water on it, ran my fingers through, and this is how it was looking. So I think this is, can you say a 150 density? Because you know how like the lace on the 360 is all lace, but I could say this is like a 150 density, and this is an 18-inch. All right, I'll show you guys how I applied it. Mind you, let me tell you, I'm not no hair guru. All right, this is my first time trying a 360. This is how I was looking in the back. If it's lifting up a little bit, I will glue it right back. Okay, because you know we all learning out here, especially during this time. We got to do things on our own. So yeah, I'll show you how I applied it.
Hey, you guys. All right, let me stop playing. Okay, this is how the wig looked from the inside. Now, when I first saw this wig, I was like, "Ooh, child, this is bright," but I'm gonna make it work. I don't believe this wig is pre-plucked, but that's how the hairline's looking. I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay in the color Warm Coconut to tint the lace. Hi. I'm sorry, I played entirely too much. I'm just gonna pluck the part right now with some tweezers. Now, if you don't have tweezers, you can twirl like how I'm doing the hair, but be careful you don't pull too hard to rip the lace. Now I'm using rubbing alcohol to wipe around my hairline because I am oily as heck, and if I want this wig to stay on as long as possible, I'm going to take the oil off my face. Now I'm going to start cutting the lace. Make sure you leave just a little bit of lace just like that out. Now, I know y'all see my little sideburns, but I didn't feel like shaving it because I don't know how long I'm going to keep this hairstyle in or if it's going to grow on me. But you're going to see how I cover it later. I'm using the Got To Be Glued black tube right in front of my hairline. Ooh, child, those edges. So I'm doing the same thing that I did to the front of my hair. I'm just putting the got to be glued right behind my kitchen. Now I gotta do these baby hairs because I know y'all have one auntie at least in your family who wear their wig like that, but I'm not that auntie. So I'm just gonna fix some baby hairs to finesse the hairline. And you wanna take a very thin layer. So as you can see here, I cut a little bit above where my eyebrows are. You don't want your baby hairs to be too long. Swoop, swoop. Now I'm finessing that little piece right there to cover my sideburns, and I'm gonna swoop it down. And same thing right there, swoop. All right, I really need to stop, but you get the point. And you see how that lace is lifting up right there? I'm using the got to be glue. I'm gonna swoop right over it, and once I dry it, it's gonna stay right in place. Okay, and that is how that is looking after it's all applied.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that mini tutorial slash try on. I don't really want to call it a tutorial because this is my first time doing it. Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't subscribe to me, all your lace is gonna be lifted and it's gonna fall off. Okay, it's gonna fall off of you. Even if you glue it down, even if you got a elastic band, it's gonna fall off. So if you want your wig and your hair to stay intact, just subscribe. It is just that simple. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.